Today I will make paratha with potato, stuffed paratha with potato, onions, all those things. And I welcome you all to Jayasree Kadai Katha. And we are going to make so fluffy paratha with potato. You can see how beautiful the it is looking, and so beautiful golden color has already come. So this kind of potato, if you want to make it, please follow this recipe what is given. Okay, so I am showing you how beautiful the stuffing is there inside everywhere. Let's start making the aloo paratha. I have taken 250 gram of flour. You can measure in a small hand, like how you take for the fulka, say little bigger size, and this will be 250 gram, and mix with little salt. Now add little water to make a soft dough. Don't put it at a time. Okay, so just pour little quantity, and all the loose flour you have to collect and make a ball, so that whenever required you put little water. So see, more than this water is not required. So this final water is also put. So now you have to, from the back of the hand, you have to knuckle put the knuckle on the thing, and nicely smoothly you make a ball and rest it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Put little oil, put on top. Okay, and again little mix it little bit more, and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't leave it open, it will dry. So cover it with a small bowl and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, and not more than that. Okay, now I've taken a cooker, put the potato for boiling. Don't put more water, because more water it will make soggy. So put just 1 inch of water in the cooker and boil the potato. Two whistle is enough. And after that remove the potato and keep on a strainer, so that extra water also drains off. Now when cool, peel the potato and mash it with hand or grater. If you don't want lump, you can grate it with a grater. So this is also almost complete. It has to be very, very fine, smooth, should not be lumpy. Best part is to do with the grater. And I've chopped the onion, chopped the green chili, chopped ginger, chopped coriander. I'll put everything in this. First, we'll put salt, then, we'll put red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder, onion, all the onion what you have seen, and then the green chili, ginger chopped, and lots of coriander, and mix well. Now I've taken butter and oil equal quantity and put it for melting in the tawa, and put the tawa first on the fire and then melted the butter and the oil. Then the stuffed, we are going to make the stuffing. I just rolled the sheet with with the rolling pin. Then I've added the stuffing little big enough so that when you put a bite to the paratha, you should get the punch of all the stuffing what you are putting. So just fold it in this way, and then we'll roll it. Extra dough you have to remove, because when you don't remove it, it will be occupying the base of the ball, and it will be lumpy. So always extra thing you have to, how she has removed, you have to do like that. Then slow hand, flat hand, you have to do like this. Then when little flat, then both the side, then start rolling very gradually and delicately, so that it doesn't burst open the stuffing from the chapati what you are rolling. So in this manner you have to roll. Then on the hot griddle or the tawa, you have to put that chapati, stuffed chapati or the parota, because this is not yet ready paratha. After becoming ready, it will be called parota. Now we have to nicely color like this. When like this color come, then add butter oil mixture. Before that, don't put. This is the beauty. Should not put butter oil in the raw stage. If you put that, it will not cook. It will be looking like somebody like who don't know that color will be there. So when you do apply the parota oil or the butter thing on the golden, on the brown surface, it will look really good. So that is the overall tips of Jayasree Kadai Katha, and you have to do in this manner all the parota. See how beautiful the color looks. You have to do like this. Okay. Now repeat the procedure with all the balls. Okay, so my, yeah, she has taken the parotha, rolled it out with the help of the thumb, and she is now putting it inside the. That is one way. First, what she has shown, and this is second way of folding it, so that when you make it, it's really interesting. Basically, you can see how beautiful she will make. Just follow the steps and you can enjoy homemade beautiful stuffed paratha as always, and become a big chef. Start with the parota, one step at a time. And anybody can make it, yeah. That I can ensure. Start with a step, make first tea, then parota. If somebody doesn't know, just learn, take a baby step, then proceed. That's the picture. The previous how we have made to brown, then put the butter. In in this test should never put butter. That is steps. So when you get this kind of color, okay, then we have to put butter. This is the right coloring. You can add butter. Because in the raw stage, if you put butter, no, then it will look raw with the after cooking also. Okay, so you have to ensure this both the sides should be brown, then put the butter. When you put it, it will now fluffy up. It will, matlab, means it will like take all the air from inside, heat up the air inside here, then it will puff up. So that is the beauty. Like now again, when we will put the other side, you see how beautiful it is going to come. See now, see the magic is happening. Little tone up, that's the sin. Like I'm not able to show you. See how beautifully it is puffed up. So you can also make the same thing. Enjoy the aloo paratha just for 5 to 10 rupees in the home for one piece. Make yourself, become a chef by yourself. When mother can cook, learn something, make for your wife, the children, they will be really grateful, and you will get that kind of achievement. See how beautiful the paratha is becoming. See, at this stage you have to put the oil butter mixture and smear it nicely everywhere. And when you put it, when comes in contact with the tawa, it's immediately puffs up. See how beautifully it's puffing up. Both the side you have to apply the butter oil mixture. That is the part. See, so paratha, now you can also make paratha. So this is the experience we are giving for the viewers. Please follow the recipe. You can make the parotha same to same. That is the beauty. And one more thing, my videos are, I am giving you original English language, but when you can still convert all the video into multiple language from English, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, then Spanish, English, and then Russian, Japanese, lot of other language. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to come back and watch another video which is going to come soon, and the recipe is given at the end of this video. Bye bye for now. Happy learning. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.